Shortcut method. Shortcut method for the basic operation of signals. So we are performing the signal operations by 3 steps. For any signal, if I considering one signal, if I want to do x of 2t plus 2, right? If I want to do x of 2t plus 2, what we have to do? We have to do the first time shifting. So after that, if there is any reversal, time reversal. So and finally, we have to do the time scaling, right? So we have to draw the each and every step and we have to obtain these signals. So I'm considering the signal, one signal x of t. Okay, this is x of t, this is minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3, this is t, this is x of t. So if I want to perform the 2t plus 2, so what we have to do? We have to do the time shifting, time reversal and time scaling. So we are doing these methods and we are wasting our time. So there is a shortcut, simple shortcut. So x is having the limits for this x of t, t is having the limits minus 1 to 3, right? So if I want to obtain the 2t plus 2, so 2t plus 2 also the limits is in this position only. But that particular signal, we have to obtain the what is the t limit, right? So 2t plus 2, so we have to do minus 2 on the entire expression, that is these two get cancelled, this is minus 3 less than 2t less than, this is 3 minus 2, that is 1. So now what we have to do? We have to do with by 2. This is minus 3 by 2 less than t less than 1 by 2. So this is the limits for this x of 2t plus 2. So that is minus 1.5 less than t less than 0.5. So now I am drawing the circuit simply. So what? This is minus 1.5, this is minus 1, right? So see here, this is minus 1.5 to 0.5. See, there is no reversal in this particular signal. The signal is as it is replaced by this. So by seeing this, this is the limits. Cross check out whether the options having minus 1.5 to 0.5. Still we are having doubt. Then we have to do, this is shifted by 2, right? So there is minus 1.5 to 0.5. So in the 0.5 we have to end the signal with this 3 limit, and at minus 1.5 we have to end with this signal, and it is exactly 0. So what happened? 2 is get cancels. This is exactly shifted to the 0 positions, right? So this is the answer. So for time shifting and scaling, there is only 2 signals. We can do this performance easily. So that is signal is shifted as it is. If there is in case of time reversal, so what happened? So here this is also same case. Consider the signal. So plus 2, this is 3 to minus 1, do the same, that is minus 3 by 2 less than, so 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1, and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So we have to multiply this is minus 9 minus t less than 3. So now I have to change the entire thing, that is minus 3 less than 9. So we can't draw the same signal from minus 3 to 9 because here we are having the reversal. So what happened to the signal? This is minus 3, right? But this limit is upper limit circuit. Okay? 1, 2, 3. This is 9 and this is 6, this is 3, and this is 0. So this is the signal. Okay, so what is the shortcut? First step, we have to take the internal signal, that is whatever the operation signal, operation of time interval. So after that, we have to change to t, only t. For example, considering 2t plus 2, we have to change it to the t. So after that, we have to check the answer. Okay, we have to check the answer from the options. Okay, one thing you have to remember, whenever the reversal, minus reversal will be there, the signal will be reversal. We already know x of t is x of minus t are quite opposite. It is a mirror image signal. You have to remember this. This is very, very important. So whenever we are obtaining reversal, we have to reverse the signal, entire signal. Okay, see here, this is minus 3 to 9. We are changing the entire signal. If you have seen the options, that is 3 to 9, like this signal, that is the minus 3, that is ramp upward signal. So after that step, after that downward signal, that is a wrong signal, right? So this is the right signal. There is reversal, you have to reverse the entire signal after the integral, but the limits will be minus 3 to 9, right? Thank you. So convolution of two signals shortcut method. So see here, x of t, one signal, so limits is 0 to 2, and x2 of t limits 0 to 4. So what is the convolution of x of t convoluted with x2 of t, right? If we are considering, I am simply draw the limits is 0 to 6. How I am saying that limits is 0 6 is, the convolution of these two signals will be decided by this. That is, lower limit is equal to the sum of the lower limits of x1 of t plus x2 of t. Okay, so upper limit will be the sum of these two signals, upper limits, that is 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6, this is 0. Now, so what is the signal we are obtaining here, right? So next, from 0 to 2, the signal existing for these two signals. So that means 1 into 1, 1 into 2, so we are getting 2. So what is the integral of 2? 2t. Okay, so that is up to here we are obtaining 2t rank. So this is 4. So after the 2 to 3, there is not existing any signal from here, but here we are existing one signal. So from 2 to 4, this is 1. So after that, it is ramp down signal. Okay. So how can we say whether this signal is correct or not? Just see. So we are having, so I'll find out this area. So this is 1 into 2. This area is 4 into 2, that is 8. So add these two signals and we are getting the value as 10. Right? So here also, same do the, what is the total area for this signal? For this right angle triangle, that is half into 2 into 4 plus, so this is directly 2 into 4 plus, again this is half into 2 into 4. So that is 2 into 4 plus 2 into 4. So what we are getting, so we are getting the value as 16. So this is the total area is 16. Now see here, the multiplication of these two areas is 16, right? So that means, so find out this area and find out this area, product this area, so we are getting 16. So whatever the option having the same area, that is the answer. And also the limit should be 0 to 6. Just cross check it. So he gives like this, this is 2, this is 2, 4 and this is 6. If you are find out in this area, you are getting 8. So this is not a right answer for that. And this is again, this is some 8, this is 2, 4, 6. So again you are doing this for you are getting 32. This is also not a right answer. So cross check the limits as well as area. The area is 2 and this area is 8. So if you are multiplying these two areas, you are getting 16. And if you are doing this area for the convoluted signal, you are getting 16. That means what is the lower limit is sum of the two lower limits of the convoluted signal, and the upper limit is convoluted of the two signals of the upper limit, and find out the areas is the product of these two signal areas. Okay.